In this video, you'll learn how to install Cloudflare Warp on Windows using the latest Cloudflare 1 client. Cloudflare has unified its tools, so what used to be called the 1.1.1.1 app and the Enterprise Zero Trust client now live together in one application. You'll still see the Warp name in a lot of places, but it all comes from the same installer. I'll walk you through exactly where to get it, how to install it safely, and a few things to keep in mind along the way. First, we always want to make sure we're downloading the client from the official source, not from a random website. On your Windows PC, open your preferred browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar at the top, type 1.1.1.1 and press Enter. This address takes you directly to Cloudflare's official site for the Warp and 1.1.1.1 client, so you don't need to search around or rely on third-party links. Once the page loads, you should see information about Cloudflare's privacy-focused DNS and the Warp service. Here, Cloudflare may refer to the app as the Cloudflare 1 client, 1.11.1, or still use Warp in the branding. That's normal. The key point is that this is the official Cloudflare client for both consumer and zero trust use. On this page, look for the Downloads section. Cloudflare typically detects your operating system automatically, so you may see a prominent button for Windows right away. If you don't see it, look for a group of download options that might include platforms like Windows, Mac OS, Linux, iOS, and Android. Click the option labeled Windows to start downloading the installer. When you click the Windows download button, your browser will begin downloading an installer file, usually with a .exe extension. Depending on your browser settings, you might be asked where to save the file, or it may automatically go into your downloads folder. Wait for the download to finish before moving on. You can check the progress in the browser's downloads panel if needed. Once the download is complete, open your downloads folder or click directly on the file from your browser's downloads list. Double-click the installer to launch it. If Windows asks whether you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, click Yes. This is a standard user account control prompt for software installation. The Cloudflare installer will open and guide you through the setup process. Typically, you'll just need to accept the license agreement and confirm or adjust the installation location. For most users, keeping the default options is perfectly fine. Click through the prompts, choosing Next or Install when asked. The installation only takes a short time. When it's finished, you may be offered the option to launch the client right away. You can go ahead and start it, or close the installer and open it later from the Start menu by searching for Cloudflare Warp or Cloudflare 1 client. At this point, the application is installed on your Windows device, ready for you to configure Warp or DNS-only mode according to your needs. That's all you need to do to download and install the Cloudflare Warp client on Windows using the official Cloudflare 1 client.